And here they come. Markets are flying back. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. It is Monday, June the 29th, and after an ugly opening last night, as we said we probably would see, here we are. Markets are flying. Dow's up, 300, 400. Who the hell knows what it's up? S&P from much lower is now up about 20 points. Even the NASDAQ got positive on the day. And, of course, the Russell is exploding up about 40 points. Again, not a surprise at all. As we warned yesterday, it's quarter end, month end, rebalancing of the Russell. Anything could happen. Now we could totally turn around and collapse today, or we could just keep going. I don't know. I'm just watching just like you are. At the end of the day, we're still short the Russell, still short the Dow, still short S&P, and still long the NASDAQ. Okay? It's that simple. We'll see what happens. I mean, again, it was a fairly easy call that the markets would have some sort of a rally after last night. Just a question of how strong it's going to be. And right now, it's pretty powerful. We'll see what happens as the day wears on. In the meantime, the metals, gold is up a little bit. It's been up and down. It opened up about $8 higher and then came down in the day. Now it's back up about 5 or 6. Again, we like gold. We're looking for 1,800 first and then farther and potentially around the new highs. Silver's a tad lower, but expect, again, that's holding and it only failed from the top end of resistance once again. So not a surprise that it pulled back. Platinum's a little bit higher. We are short. But in the meantime, again, platinum should get a dead cat bounce. Again, there's certain reasons markets bounce at certain times. And nothing should ever catch you by totally off guard or by surprise. Crude making another run at that 40 level. We'll see what happens. Again, I don't think it's going much through 40 if it gets to 40. I would look to be a seller. Of course, we're still long. But again, at the end of the day, I don't see it going dramatically higher. I would look for, hopefully, the good news of the rally. It's pulling up our reversal much higher, which is great. That's what I'm looking for. Nat gas is a little bit higher. We're still short. Copper is higher, and we're still long. The dollar is a little bit lower, but pretty much neutralish. And again, we'll see. We're long dollars. All right. But again, we'll see what goes on here. Again, this is not on giant volume. It's again, more or less, to me, it's window dressing, it's marking. We'll see what happens into the next quarter. So I don't put a lot of stock either way. Again, whether up or down, I'm not making any prediction here whatsoever. To me, it looks like there's a major trend change and we're going to start to head lower. To me, this is an opportunity, as long as it doesn't trigger us to reverse first, and be the first to go down. And we'll see where it goes from there. In the meantime, meats slightly lower across the board. And really not much movement either direction. Okay, just right, hovering around that unchanged level. We're still long cattle, short hogs, and grains. Look, I keep looking for a reason to want to be long. Now we're short corn. It's up about 6.5 cents today. But again, when I look at it, again, is this just a dead cat bounce or is it going to finally break out? I mean, that move on Friday was really ugly and showed, although July beans, which are now gone, July corn, which is now gone, held, December corn had broken down. So we'll see. Again, this is probably just a dead cat bounce off of an oversold rally. I hope I'm wrong. Although I'm short, but again, I hope I'm wrong. I'd like to be long corn, but I'm not going to fight that either way. Beans are a little bit lower, and my guess is that they stay lower on the day. We'll be reversing them out to be short beans as well. And wheat is also getting a dead cat bounce. And we're still short wheat. Again, I don't see nothing exciting about the moves in grains right now. We do know that low prices cure low prices, but we also know that you do get in any market dead cat bounces, and you get, after a dramatic sell-off, you typically get a bounce. So we'll see where we go from there. Again, it's not critical. We're not going to change during the day no matter what. So we'll continue to watch the market and see what goes on. In the meantime, don't forget about our great commodity report written by Andy Heck. Number one author in Seeking Alpha, also traveled worldwide trading physical commodities, plus at one time the biggest silver in the trade. Go to BubbaTrading.com and check out Technomental. And of course, Family Farms, brand new relationship. I can't wait to tell you more about that. But again, we're now doing some stuff with Family Farms, which is going to be great. Looking forward to that. And of course, our brokerage partners, there are nobody as good as our partners as far as I'm concerned. Now, I have brokerage accounts at many different places, but the ones I use the most for futures and commodities, I use CTG. That's where they do all of our letter direction trading. They have some great new products, and they have great customer service. And of course, Tradier, great customer service, $10 a month flat. How can you beat that? No 65 cents, no nothing. You're putting money in your own pocket. So again, that's up to you. You want the information, please send me an email at bob@bubbatrading.com. I'll be happy to send it to you. And of course, our high school program, we're trying to rebuild everything for the new year at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. In the meantime, have a great day. Let's see what happens. Maybe this is going to be a good selling opportunity. Who knows? Be patient, be disciplined, pick your spots, and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day.